Guys, it's Amber and I'm back at it again with another video. In today's video, I'm going to do how to stay fresh 24/7 at school, or not just at school, but like anywhere in general. But I'm going to help the ladies out and let them know what I do to stay fresh all day long. So yeah, if y'all want to learn about how I stay fresh 24/7 at school or just out and about, then just keep on watching, period. Okay, I'm going to do like tips and then show y'all some of my items that I have on me. But yeah, my number one tip is to shower. I probably take 3 showers a day. Like, yeah, I think I take 3 showers a day. For like in school time, maybe like out of school, I'll probably take 2 because I don't really go to too many places. But okay, so I'm gonna do this based on school right quick. For school, I take my shower at night. I wash off in the morning. I don't know if you count that as like showering and stuff like that, but yeah, I wash off in the morning right before I go to school, and then when I come home, I take a shower, and then at nighttime I take my shower again. So yeah, okay, so yeah, take a night shower before school. In the morning, I wash off, then I come home, take a shower. Then at nighttime, I take my night shower and stuff, you know. So yeah, so that's how many times I shower. And really in the shower, basically what I do, I just use like a regular Dove soap that's not too harsh on the body because I have sensitive skin and stuff. So yeah, but yeah, this is the Dove Beauty Nurturing Wash. I think I just now got, I'm used to using the sensitive skin, but I got the Beauty Nurturing big old body wash bottle. And I really use like a lot of like scented body washes and stuff. I had some, but I ran out of them, so I can't really show you. I might try to insert a picture of it or something. I don't really need like a scented thing because, like, you know, what I use afterwards, like that's what really gives my smell, you know. And I'm gonna show y'all this thing. When you do use shower gel, this is what I use to like just lather my body in it and stuff like that. But other than that, like for everything else, I use like a regular old rag, because you don't really need like this thing is not good to like really thoroughly wash your body. Like, I'll use my little douche stanky as just like something to, I don't know, just like let the shower gel sit on my body, but that's it. But for like to thoroughly clean like your underarms and stuff like that, you need a rag. And for my private area, I feel like feminine wash is overhyped. You don't need feminine wash. Like your vaginal area, it cleans itself. So let me fix this, okay? But your vaginal area, it cleans itself, so you don't really need a vaginal wash. Like I know like they make it seem like you need a vaginal wash to make sure your private area is clean, but in my opinion, and what like most studies say for doctors, they say you don't really need a feminine wash. So I just use this soap. I don't put it, like, I gotta tell y'all this one big tip. Do not put soap, feminine wash, nothing inside your vagina, because that is so stupid. Like, y'all don't understand how stupid that is. That is so stupid to do that, because your private area, it is self-cleaning. It cleans itself. You do not have to put anything up in there to make sure it's clean. It's going to clean itself. If you like, if you smell like fish or something smells wrong inside, like with your private area, you need to call your doctor. You need to tell your mother, your father, whoever is your legal guardian, that you smell. Well, you don't have to say it like that, but just tell them that something's wrong with your body and you feel like you need to go to the doctor to get yourself checked out, because it can be a yeast infection, STDs, stuff like that. So you really need to go get that checked out. So yeah, not even trying to be funny, but that can be a serious issue. You can really have a yeast infection, STDs, UTIs, stuff like that. So you really need to go get checked out if you feel like something like that is, yeah, if you feel like you smell. So yeah. And at school, wait, hold on, I gotta add this one more thing. I think I'm gonna stop using this because I've heard it's bad, but I did have this like deodorant powder just put on like my underwear. Gonna show y'all my underwear. Don't get mad, because this is clean and stuff. This is my underwear. Yeah, we just sit it, like pour some inside of it like that, and yeah. But I think I'm gonna stop using that because I feel like I don't really need it. But that's just, I don't know why I bought it. I don't think I bought it. I think my mother bought it, but I started using it. But I feel like it didn't really do nothing. Like, I still smell good, you feel me? So, but yeah, but that's just some Vagisil deodorant pad. I heard that it causes cancer, so I think I'm gonna stop using this. I don't know if it's just this one or it's just like, I don't know if it's overall or something like that, but I just say I'm gonna stop using that. So yeah, but moving on, I'm gonna move on to school hygiene. For school, if you have gym, I recommend, or not even gym, you don't have to have gym, but like just overall, like you need to keep stuff like this on you at all times, no matter what. But I recommend bringing some what's this called, some wet wipes. Yes, because for me at school, the toilet paper irritates my body, so if I have to go to the bathroom, I make sure I even had these little packs. It's the Vagisil. I don't recommend Vagisil like that, you know, but I used to use like the Vagisil wipes because it came like a little pack, so I was like, that would work good, like just put it in my pocket to go to the bathroom. But now I'm just gonna keep this thing of wet wipes on me. You don't have to get like the wipes that actually use for the feminine wash. I mean the feminine wipe things. Like Huggies, they're pretty good. I mean, they work just as well because they're like, because if the baby can use it, I can use it. You feel me? So it's really safe and all that. And you can use that to wipe and crap. And I'm gonna tell you another thing about wiping. Do not wipe from your butt to your private area. Please don't. Because if you really think about it, if you wiping from your back to the front, you just doo-doo or something like that. Excuse my profanity, but yes, if you poop and you wipe back there to the front, you're getting all your poop in your private area. So do not wipe from the back to the front. Wipe from the front to the back. Okay. And a lot of times I'll get one wipe my front, then get another wipe from the back, stuff like that, and that works. But yeah, if you have gym class and you have the wet wipes, get your wet wipe and get your wet wipe and just wipe up your body and crap like that. But don't just don't get some perfume and just start spraying all over it and stuff like that, because your mask gonna smell for a second, but then in a few seconds, that's gonna create a whole stinking smell, and it's gonna be a whole new stinking smell. You know, you're not gonna smell good if you just try to mask how bad you smell with some perfume. It's not gonna go well for you, and you're gonna learn. Like, believe me or not, you're gonna learn. So yeah, and the same thing goes for your armpits. You can use the wet wipes for your armpits as well. So after you use your baby wipes on your armpits, private area, put some deodorant on your underarms. So I don't know this thing. But yeah, after that you can put some. I use this Secret deodorant. You can put this under your put it under your armpits and stuff like that. And I use the Secret pH Balance Shower Fresh because yeah, I don't want to throw off my pH balance at all. I don't know if y'all know what pH balance is. I ain't gonna tell you. I can't really tell you like from definition, but I just know what it is. But I might try to insert a clip if I can. If I can't, I'm sorry. But yeah, and I think that's about it for the baby wipes and the deodorant. So after you do all of that, like take a shower and stuff like that, next thing is like your aftercare. Like I'm about to go through my purse right quick and show y'all what I use. I'm gonna show y'all what I use after my shower. So I use this vanilla warm sugar moisturizing body wash. It's not a body wash really. It's like your after shower. Like when I get out of the shower, I put this on. And yeah, not even after my shower, like even all around in school, I put on this lotion. And then I had this ripened raspberry. It's some body cream, so I use this as well. And yeah, but that's what I use lotion first. Oh, another lotion I use this for my face. It's a beauty cream. You can put this on your face, by the way, but this Dove beauty cream, you can use this for your face. and it has like a nice scent to it, but it's not like really scented. It just smells good, but it's for your face. It's meant to be for your face, because I know a lot of people, they put like scented lotion on their face, and that's gonna break your skin out. So I recommend, if it's something like this, don't put it on your face. If it's like this, don't put it on your face. So yeah, and what I'm gonna tell y'all, oh, this little tip, I'm gonna move on to perfumes. If you want your perfume to last long, put some Vaseline on it. This is some petroleum jelly. This is Vaseline. And one of my tips is to get a little bit of Vaseline, put it like, oh, how many way? Put this like up on your wrist. I'm gonna just put it, I'm gonna show you on my wrist for example. But I'm gonna get like this, put some on my wrist. Then I'm gonna pick up a random perfume, I'm gonna spray. I don't like to, I'm gonna go on to this tip after this. I'm gonna spray, I spray both sides, right? And Vaseline, putting Vaseline on before your perfume, make it stay on forever. And one tip about your perfume, don't rub it. Not just rub my hands, but I don't think I'm rubbing on my wrist and crap like that. But don't rub. I seen a lot of people, after they put their Vaseline on it and spray it, they rub their wrist together. They just rub on one side and rub their wrist together. And that's just wiping off perfume. So you just wasted your perfume by rubbing on it. Because if you rub your perfume, because sometimes like your body feels wet after you put some perfume on. So people, like, they tend to like rub it and try to, like, I don't know, try to rub it in so they won't look so like they got some water on them or something like that. But that's not good. That's gonna rub off your perfume, so don't do that. I'm gonna show y'all what kind of perfume I use. This is, I don't really use this one. I don't remember getting this. I think I got it for Christmas, but I don't use it like that. But it's called the In the Stars. It still smells pretty good. Yes, it smells good. But this is the In the Stars Fine Fragrance Mist. This is all from, I think all mine are from, no, one of them is from Victoria's Secret. The rest of mine are from Bath and Body Works. And this is the other one from Bath and Body Works. I just bought this a few weeks ago and I love it. It's called the Rose Fragrance Mist. And I love roses. So I got this fragrance mist and it smells good as well. And this is the last one I have on me. I have some more in my room, but I didn't feel like getting all them. But my camera again. Okay, so this is my last one. I love this one. I think I got this for Christmas, but this is the best ever. Period. It's the best. It's the best shimmer in the world. Yeah, these are my glass fragrances. They're like the real deal perfume. Like, these are the ones I just showed y'all. They're the plastic body mist, but these are the fragrances. It's like the actual perfume that like in the glass bottle. And I just use it like right here, and then like a little bit on my neck, and then behind my ear. And with behind my ear, like when you put perfume behind your ear and put like a little bit of Vaseline on it before then, that's something like really good to smell. I mean, I'm not explaining it, but like one time I did this thing. I did this. Like, I put the Vaseline on, I sprayed perfume behind my ear, and my hair out. So like whenever I flip my hair or something like that, like somebody, people like will get like a good whiff of your smell, like how good you smell or how good your perfume smells. So yeah, so ever since then I put that on my put it behind my ear. Then another thing I think it's my last topic. I know the ladies know what this is. These are some pads and some tampons. And I recommend y'all, like, please change your pad and your tampon. I think I would probably know this, but if you don't change your pad and your tampon and you had the same pad on all day long, regardless if your flow is heavy or not, like, you're gonna smell, because you shouldn't keep the same pad on all day long, regardless if you just like that much blood, because still that pad sitting up there, it's gonna start to smell and people gonna start to smell you. I hope y'all take my pointers into some consideration, and I hope y'all try to use my tips and take them in and really try to help yourself out. Your body's a temple. Like, you can't try to destroy it and stuff like that. You have to take care of your body. I know as a woman it's hard to try to take care of your body and maintain like stuff like that. I know men have it easy. They really do. I understand they have it easy, but we have to live with being a woman. So we have to learn how to deal with it, suck it up, and start taking care of our bodies and stuff, because we can't have it. Like, we can't have them smelly days and crap like that. We have to smell good 24/7, baby. 24/7 have to smell good, period. So, but anyways, I want to thank y'all for watching. I want y'all to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on my post notification bell so you be notified next time I post. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you guys next week, or I'll see you guys on Wednesdays or on Friday. So yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys whenever I do, Wednesday or Friday. But yeah, bye.
That's my type.